All right, hey, weather time.
All right, Majestic Storm
Yeah.
standing by because how many sweaters are we going to need to wear today?
Yeah.
I
That's the
say we
real
need
question.
to layer up about 5 layers
Wow.
today.
Oh.
3 layers of socks, get your snow boots ready, don't forget your mittens, your gloves. Should I go on? You get the idea. All right, well, I want to do a special shout out to my friend Jack. He just told me he's in Franning, Wyoming. His Siberian Husky doesn't even want to go outside because it's so cold out there, -3. So hello to all my friends out in Wyoming this morning. Those bitter cold temperatures, the big story once again. Those wind chill advisories that have been in place all week long continue to remain in place until at least Sunday. We could see some areas as low as 40 below zero, so make sure you're really limiting your time outside. Now, this wind chill warning is even more severe. We could see those wind chills as low as 55 below zero. That means frostbite in as little as 5 minutes. So really just stay inside as much as you can over the weekend because I am tracking active weather from those cold temperatures to those dangerously low wind chills. And now a whole nother new factor comes into place, and that's snow that's going to be moving in. Now, we do have a winter weather advisory going into place today, and then that will continue through Saturday night. Here's about those snow totals that you'll see outside your window. So those are for the lower elevated locations. Now, not only that, but then over towards the western part of the state, over near those mountain passes, getting quite a bit of snowfall. Not only are we talking about moderate to heavy snowfall, we're talking about gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Then we're talking about reduced visibility, drifting and blowing snow. A winter storm watch in place for the central part of the state up towards Cut Bank and down towards Augusta. We could see 6 to 8 inches of snow in the mountains, 1 to 3 for the valley locations. And then once again, those gusty winds picking up overnight tonight and into tomorrow. Here's a look at some of those snowfall totals. Here's 5 p.m. on Saturday, 2 inches for Big Mountain, Whitefish, Blacktail, 5 inches near Lookout Pass. That'll continue through Sunday morning. So that active weather starts tonight, continues all day Saturday, all day Sunday. As we're looking towards next week, we're still talking about bitter cold temperatures, then a nice little break from that snow. The Sky Tracker showing lots of cloud coverage throughout the area this morning. Some light snowfall over towards the western part of the state that will become more widespread as we move through the day. Now, not only are we talking about that snow, but also those winds are going to start picking up throughout the day as well. 24-mile-per-hour winds up towards Kalispell, 13 for Billings. That'll continue through our Saturday morning, so just be prepared for it to feel even colder outside as those winds start to pick up. Here's a look at some of those daytime highs across the western part of the state. 26 degrees in Libby, 32 for Thompson Falls. Pretty nice temperatures, I'd say, over towards the western half, but then as we move towards the central, that's where things start to get a little bit cooler. 11 degrees today for Great Falls, 1 degree for Chester. A special good morning to my friends out in Glasgow, -4 degrees, 18 degrees for Harleton, and then as we move to the south of us, 21 degrees for Dillon. West Yellowstone, it's going to be another cold one today.